So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are worried and asking about the prices that you claimed in the Arcade Cohort 2 2025, that we have claimed the price in January. Still we haven't received the prices. It's March and March is also ending. When we'll be getting the prices, all things will cover in this video. And if you are watching for the first time, okay, then make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video so that you get all important updates as soon as they are released. So as per the latest update of the Arcade team, that you must be knowing that you have claimed the prices, and they have already mentioned in the FAQ that it will take around 8 to 12 weeks. So assume it will take around 3 months and you have claimed your price in January itself. So January, February, March. Let's assume January to be empty. Okay. So February, March, and April. Okay. So mostly the swag shipping will start from April mid, means second week of April. It will start. Maybe they start early also, but as per the tentative deadline, it may start from second week of April. Now what will happen in second week of April? They will start shipping. You won't be getting the swags directly on the second week of April. Once they ship the swag from their warehouse, okay, then it will take 7 to 10 days, even 15 days, depending on where you are located. Okay, so it does not mean that here you need to understand that sometimes what happens, they ship batches, means they ship the swags in batches format, right? So it may happen that your friend or your any relative may receive the swags in the same location earlier than you. So you have to wait for your turn. Okay, do not mail them again and again. So for swags update, the simple update is that it will be out anytime from the second week of April. Okay. You'll be getting all the details on your registered email address where you have placed the order. You'll be getting all the updates, your shipping link, tracking link, your order ID, all things are there. Do not worry. If you have placed the order and you have completed all the games and got the points benefit, then you will surely get the swags. Do not worry about it. One more important thing I wanted to share, that if you are having any, if you have used that mobile number that requires recharge, because in previous cohort, what happened, someone added that mobile number in the address details that was not working, and someone mobile was also lost. So in that case, the order was not delivered, but due to some reasons, what they do, what you can do in such cases, what you can do, you can simply contact to the nearest warehouse. For example, DTDC delivery, whatever tracking details are there, you can contact them. Some of them directly deliver without OTP also, but some requires it OTP. Then you can mail to the white scanning team that this mobile number is not serviceable, kindly update it before it is shipped. If it is returned to the origin, you'll be having a 14-day, I think, window. Okay, 14-day or 7-day window where you can claim the swag. So it's better to have correct details. Make sure you can confirm with the team before it is shipped. Okay, so this is the quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. March games are already live, and let me just show you the master sheet over here. So this is the master sheet. If you're participating for the first time, you don't know anything about Arcade, how people are getting these type of swags. So for that, we have created two specific playlists. In the description box, you'll find the master sheet. There you'll find this particular master sheet, means you'll be finding this sheet. When you click on it, the interface will look like this. So from here, we have a complete guide in Hindi, also complete guide in English also. You can see all the things are covered over here in detail. So you can watch it and understand about the program in Hindi and English also. You can see we have covered everything step by step, how you can reach up to 100 points also and get some cool goodies over here. Your cloud credits, like most people are asking, they need credits for completing the skill patches. Okay, so for that also we have credits over here. You can watch it and claim the credits and start doing skill badges. Your basic doubts, that how to see your badges, how to enable the check my progress bar, all things are there in the channel. You can just check it out. And if you're interested in other events also, you can see we are covering not only Arcade event, we are covering global events and different technical events. We're learning more about new things. So you can just navigate to the channel and see everything we have covered in detail. So this was a quick thing regarding the swags update. I hope it clears your doubt. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.